I'm Alice and I run the operational side of AI for Non-Techies. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, what does it actually look like to run an AI business behind the scenes? Because from the outside, everything in AI looks fast, shiny, and a bit overwhelming. But behind the scenes, it's far more human, far more intentional, and honestly, a lot calmer than you might expect. Today, I want to give you a real look of how we think we keep things moving, what I focus on day to day, and the systems and thinking that sit underneath the whole company. AI for Non-Techies is growing quickly. This year is a big one for us. We've expanded our academy. We're continuing to build out our on-demand courses like Ultimate ChatGPT and Ultimate Copilot, and growing our flagship program, Become an AI Trainer. We're also delivering live training to companies all over the world, and while keeping the community and all of our content moving. There's a lot happening. New products, new ideas, new people joining the team, and a constantly evolving AI landscape. But it's exciting. It does mean, though, that we have to be unbelievably clear about what matters most each week, and that is where my work sits. People often assume that operations is just process and organization, but operations is emotional long before it's practical. My work starts with slowing the pace down, because in a fast-moving company, everything can feel urgent. Everything can feel important. And if you don't stabilize the room first, none of the practical things work. So my role looks like creating clarity so everyone knows what we're actually trying to achieve, translating the noise, managing the pace so we move quickly but not chaotically, spotting risks early, keeping the team supported and aligned, and making sure that the business doesn't overwhelm the people inside it. In short, Heather drives the vision and I make sure that that vision is deliverable. And that balance is what keeps the whole company moving smoothly down the river. Let's talk honestly about the challenges, because every business has them. One big one is that we're building and delivering at the same time. We are evolving products, designing new programs, planning launches, whilst also delivering live sessions, training, and content every single week. That means we constantly have to ask, what actually moves us forward today? What can wait? What needs to stop? Another challenge is alignment. In a creative, fast industry like AI, ideas come thick and fast. And my work is making sure that we don't run in 12 directions at once. And then there's capacity. We're a small team doing very, very big things, which means that I'm always looking at workload, who's doing what, and what the realistic pace actually is. But these challenges aren't negative. They're signs for growing, healthy, ambitious business. And they've taught us a lot. Now the wins. One of the most exciting wins this year is how strong our products have become. Our academy is clearer, our on-demand courses are more structured, our training offer has matured, and our Become an AI Trainer program has genuinely taken on a life of its own. Internally, we've also grown. We've spent time tightening up how we plan our weeks, how we track capacity, how we communicate across the team. And these are the things that look small from the outside, but completely change how a business feels to run from the inside. Another win is confidence. We are way more grounded now. We know who we serve, what works, and what actually makes a difference for people. And that clarity lets us move faster, calmly. Keep saying calmly with a smile, calmly. So why am I here? Why am I sat in front of the camera when I'm usually internally facing? It's because we want to open the door a little. We want to show you the real side of building an AI business, not just the tools and the tutorials, which Heather and Anna will cover absolutely brilliantly, but the thinking, the decisions, the systems, the challenges, the experiments, all the things you don't normally get to see. And hopefully, if you're leading a team or building something of your own, or just simply curious about how an AI company runs in practice, then I'm hoping that this gives you a calm, grounded look at the reality. No chaos, like there's going to be chaos, but no fake chaos, no hype, just the truth of how we make decisions. We keep momentum when things are moving at high speed. And truly, if it can help you feel less overwhelmed and a bit more supported in your own work, then sharing this will have been worth it. If you want that blend of behind the scenes insights, operational thinking, practical guidance as we continue to grow AI for non-techies, then you are in the right place. We're building in real time. We're learning as we go. We're showing the things that genuinely help us move forward in case they help you too. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for listening. If you want more of these behind the scenes episodes, along with practical AI walkthroughs and updates across the business, hit like and subscribe so you do not miss what's coming next. And if you want to dig deeper, head to non-techies.ai. You'll find our academy, our on-demand courses like Ultimate ChatGPT and Ultimate Copilot, and our flagship Become an AI Trainer program. You can also sign up for our free weekly newsletter for the latest AI news sent straight to your inbox. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.